Hello, my name is Yolanda. This is my uncle. To him, I am his little princess, and to me, he is my big brother, my uncle, my everything. Who's gonna be there for me at the airport when I come back with a title and say I told you? Who's gonna be there for me saying that I must just believe in myself? And who's gonna be there for me telling me that everything is gonna be alright? Because goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They mean you will be simply missed until we meet again. I love you, my uncle.
You